Hello everyone! Mama Mary here. Join me. Let's cook an ultimate delicious breakfast. Our yummy fried rice longanisa. Mouth-watering and so easy to cook. Come, let's start cooking. Let's start cooking. First is to cook our skinless longanisa. Look at our longanisa. Looks so yummy, right? Check out my video on how to make this yummy longanisa. And now, these are our ingredients for our ultimate delicious fried rice. Well, the minced longanisa, our kanin lamig or the leftover rice, butter, eggs for topping, and salt to taste. In our wok pan, let us now add our butter. First, we will fry our minced longanisa to our butter. Fry a little bit. We will fry our minced longanisa to bring out the aroma of our longanisa, the aroma of our garlic, and the other spices of our longanisa. We will fry our minced longanisa in low fire and just keep mixing. Okay? I can smell the aroma, the very nice aroma of our longanisa, the garlicky aroma of our longanisa. And my whole kitchen smells longanisa. So yummy. We will now add our kanin lamig or the leftover rice. This is about 2 cups of leftover rice. And mix the two together. Mix it very well until the minced longanisa and our kanin lamig are well combined. Just keep mixing. It's now so yummy. If you noticed, we didn't put garlic anymore because our longanisa is already full of garlic. We will add a little bit of salt for more taste. And continue mixing. Just keep mixing for another minute. Then our fried rice, our delicious fried rice will be ready. Now let's cook our topping, our sunny-side up egg. Here's our fried rice longanisa. Let's top it with our perfectly cooked sunny-side up egg and garnish it with our very fragrant basil leaves which I got from my small garden, and let's sprinkle a little bit of spring onions. Look how perfect and yummy our fried rice longanisa now. Here's our delicious fried rice longanisa. Try it yourself. I hope I get a thumbs up from you, and please don't forget to subscribe. God bless everyone.